Okay guys, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to turn the Wii into a Wii U. So the very first step of making the Wii into the Wii U has something to do with the Nintendo Switch, because that's logical. But first we're just gonna remove this pesky Joy-Cons. That's good. And then you just take the screen and you're gonna put two Wii remotes on the side of it, and yeah. So I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, the performance went pretty well. I just taped on a few of my Wii remotes onto the side of the Nintendo Switch, and yeah, it's freaking Wii U gamepad. Yeah. Fully, obviously, it's fully touchscreen. You can hit the A button if you want. Use the D-pad. That's nice. So, we have the gamepad, but we don't have the game system. So yeah, we're just gonna turn the Wii into a Wii U, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and then we're gonna have ourselves a Wii U. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so are you guys ready to learn the secret of how to turn your Wii into a Wii U? Alright, here it is. So you're just gonna take this marker, you're just gonna write U. That's how you do it. So yeah.